Hey everyone, today I'm diving into Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket and how it's set to revolutionize space tech. Buckle up because this is going to be a thrilling ride through the cosmos. First off, let's talk about the New Glenn itself. Named after John Glenn, the first American to orbit Earth, this rocket is a beast. Standing at a towering 313 feet, it's designed for heavy-lift missions, capable of carrying up to 45 tons to low Earth orbit. That's right, 45 tons. We're talking about serious payload capabilities here. But what's really exciting is how New Glenn is pushing the envelope in terms of reusability. Much like SpaceX's Falcon 9, New Glenn's first stage is designed to be reusable. This means it can land back on Earth, get refueled, and be ready for another mission. Imagine the cost savings. This could make space travel and satellite deployment way more affordable. Now let's get into how this impacts technology and science. With New Glenn's heavy lift capabilities, we can launch larger and more complex satellites. This means better weather forecasting, improved global communications, and enhanced Earth observation. Essentially, New Glenn is enabling us to build a more connected and informed world. And it doesn't stop there. The rocket's versatility opens the door for more ambitious scientific missions. Think about larger space telescopes that can peer deeper into the universe, or missions to distant planets and moons. We're talking about the potential to uncover new cosmic phenomena and perhaps even signs of extraterrestrial life. But let's not forget the commercial side of things. New Glenn is poised to be a game-changer for private space ventures. By lowering the cost of access to space, it could spur a new wave of innovation in industries like space tourism, asteroid mining, and even lunar colonization. The possibilities are endless. And here's a fun fact. Blue Origin plans to launch New Glenn from Cape Canaveral, the same historic site where the Apollo missions took off. It's like a passing of the torch from one era of space exploration to the next. There's something poetic about that, don't you think? In conclusion, Blue Origin's New Glenn isn't just a rocket, it's a catalyst for the future of space technology and science. From making space more accessible to enabling groundbreaking scientific discoveries, New Glenn is set to change the way we think about our place in the universe. So, what do you think? Are you as excited about New Glenn as I am? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get this conversation started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time,